Trello is a project management application that utilizes Kanban boards, which represent projects, cards, which represent tasks, and lists to maneuver tasks or organize your resource materials in real time. It is featuring zero pricing for the basic service, quick overview on front and back of cards, drag and drop functionality, checklists, with a progress meter, easy uploading of files and attachments, and data filtering. Why choose Trello? Trello can be used for organizing any type of task, small or big, business or otherwise. It is a cloud-based software also supported in Windows, Mac OS, Android iOS and WebAssembly. Explore detailed product overview and compare with other leading solutions with free trial availability for all at anytechtrial.com.